Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank you to attend for this special event, special arranged with the our honorable supplier, Defense Code. This is the not the very traditional one-way presentation in the Pacific that you will be attend, like most of it that I think from the past 1.5 years in less than an hour or so. Instead, it is my pleasure to working out on these sections with the Bosco, the instructor for today's workshop event, represented from the Defense Code for their secure code review in practice as a skill set. You will learn firsthand with the Bosco. For more the detail how he will be sharing about doing those things using the tool, right? I will let the Bosco to talk in more detail for the coming section with you directly, while I serving as the opener for the event. So once again, thank you for attending. So I will talk with you again at end of the event to closing it, and at the same time to let's have the lucky draw at that time, right? So please enjoy the event and thank you for participation. It is my pleasure to arrange this with the supplier, the Defense Code, together to make it possible that is meaningful. At least in such a way, it's more meaningful that you learn something in the end. So for your, please enjoy. Thank you.